The prosecution in the Noel Maitland murder trial today urged jurors not to allow emotion or personal prejudice to influence their decision. Mr. Maitland has been on trial for nearly 8 months for the murder of his girlfriend, Donnelly Donaldson. Raquel Porter has been covering the case.
Director of Public Prosecutions Claudette Thompson cautioned the 7-member jury against an attempt to emotionally manipulate them. In his unsworn statement last Tuesday, Mr. Maitland claimed that one of the prosecution's witnesses testified against him because he disapproved of the witness's lifestyle. He also said he would play Buju Banton's Boom Bye Bye whenever the witness and his friends became noisy. But the DPP told jurors this was a deliberate tactic. She asked how many jurors were Jamaican and how many Jamaicans held strong views about persons with alternative lifestyles, suggesting Mr. Maitland was trying to trigger bias rather than address the evidence. Ms. Thompson reminded jurors that it was not the witness who sought out Mr. Maitland. Instead, she said Mr. Maitland contacted the witness, requesting access to his surveillance footage and asked that it be deleted. The prosecution pointed out that Mr. Maitland called the witnesses before 11 a.m. and waited for about 15 minutes while the man was in a meeting, despite claiming he disapproved of his lifestyle. The court was told that the witness stopped what he was doing and reviewed the footage with him. The witness testified that Mr. Maitland appeared worried when he saw his vehicle entering the complex and began pressuring him to delete the video. The DPP questioned why anyone would want footage of themselves entering their own yard erased. She dismissed claims that the witness acted out of malice, telling jurors to reject that argument. Ms. Thompson said Mr. Maitland's strategy throughout the trial has been one of denial and deflection, including attempts to shift suspicion onto his child's mother. However, she told the jury police found no evidence to charge her. In her closing, the DPP urged jurors to consider several unanswered questions, including the location of a missing couch, Mr. Maitland's iPhone, and why a SIM card found in the banger phone seized from him displayed a welcome message the day before his arrest. She also questioned why Mr. Maitland failed to identify himself as a police officer and why he omitted key details about blood evidence in his unsworn statement. Ms. Thompson said there were no answers to those questions. The defense is to address the jurors tomorrow. Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.